Hello guys, how is everybody doing? I hope everybody is having an amazing day. And if you haven't already, let's give the Lord some praise. So this is another one of those buckets that I got from Kroger's for $1.40. I put a necklace around there to make it just an embellishment, also a part of the gift. It's from Paparazzi. I also put a necklace, beaded necklace right there that I made my own self with the glass beads. I also added a watch in there that I got from Walmart with the little set. It comes with a card holder and a keychain, but I didn't put those in there. And in the back is also a paparazzi necklace that is red and it's double. It's one long necklace and one short necklace. Is red, red beaded like. Let me scoot it up so y'all can see. Y'all can see the back of that, and it's double chained. But this is gonna be the basket. Just some jewelry to make somebody happy. We all like jewelry, so they got 3 necklaces. This is a choker style right there from Paparazzi. That's a medium sized one that I made my own self. And then the one in the back in that box, I put it in that box, is from Paparazzi too. And just added a watch for, because they need a watch too to go along with their necklaces. And this is the concept that I came up with. I hope everybody is doing good. If you haven't already, let's go ahead and give the Lord some praise for allowing us to see this day. I wanted to share this concept with you because I'm working on baskets today. On the 7th day, enjoying my time, spending my time with God, listening to gospel, creating baskets, listening to different sermons, just trying to get my relationship with God in order, on track, so what better way to do it than to praise Him? We have to give God praises. We have to give God the praise and praises to get close to Him. So that's what I'm doing today. Also, working my creative mind, asking the Lord to help me create, asking Him for help. If it don't look right, I've been undoing it, putting it back until I think it is to my liking and it will be something that I want. And I will want, if I'm a jewelry person, I will want all those things in this tin can. Plus, they got their flowers right there, the roses, and I also embellished it with the flower right there, but also some roses on the front. And that's going to be it, guys. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you on my channel. Please and thank you. I want to also let you know that I appreciate you. If you're already a subscriber, if you're new, I still appreciate you for taking time out your day to stop by and watch my videos. I appreciate you. And I'm going to get on up out of here because I'm not going to hold you long, never do. So, but before I go, I want to wish each and every one of y'all a blessed morning, night, noon, evening, whatever it may be when you see this video. I hope you have a blessed one. And again, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please subscribe, please, and thank you. Give me a thumbs up so my video can get out there to others and they can see my video and I can make a bag too. Drop down in the comment section and leave me a comment so that I know you've been here and I can come back to your channel and do the same, because it's all about support. Guys, if somebody come to your channel, go back to their channel and do the same, because it's not a one-way thing. If that was the case, then we wouldn't even have a reason to come on here. We would just be talking to ourselves. So if somebody supports you, return the love. I had one more thing that slipped my mind, but anyway, I'm out of here. You all be blessed. Peace.